Is your garage door opener humming but not moving? This could be a sign of a bad capacitor, a small yet crucial component. I remember the frustration when my garage door refused to work correctly. The capacitor provides the initial jolt of electricity needed to power the motor. One day, I pressed the remote, and instead of smooth operation, I heard a faint humming sound. The door didn't budge. A humming noise with no movement is a common symptom. The motor tries to start, but without a functioning capacitor, it doesn't get enough power. If your garage door moves slower than usual or stops midway, the capacitor might be losing its charge-holding ability. Random stops or inconsistent operation can also signal that the capacitor is on its last legs. Upon closer inspection, I found my capacitor had a slightly swollen appearance. Sometimes, a burnt smell can accompany a failing capacitor. Capacitors fail due to power surges, extreme temperatures, or natural wear over time. If your opener is several years old, it might be due for a replacement. Testing the capacitor involves turning off the power, inspecting for damage, and using a multimeter to check for continuity. Prevent future failures by using a surge protector, keeping the opener clean, and scheduling regular maintenance. Stay ahead of costly repairs. Visit us in the Haltom City, Texas area.